Jikkompanja fuq il-pjano Mark Spiteri Lucas.
I cried a tear, you wiped it dry. I was confused, you cleared my mind. I sold my soul, you bought it back for me and held me up and gave me dignity. Somehow you needed me. You gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world all on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me. You needed me, and I can't believe it's you, I can't believe it's true. I needed you, and you were dead, and I never leave. Why should I leave? I'd be the fool, 'cause I finally found someone who really cares. You held my hand when it was cold, when I was lost. You took me home, you gave me home when I was empty, yeah, and turned my life back into truth again. You even called me friend. You gave me strength to stand alone again, to face the world all on my own again. You put me high upon a pedestal, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me. You needed me. You needed me. You needed me.